hear plenty of activity this morning. I saw a nuthatch on the way in, but not for long enough to get the camera out and film. So I'm just going to zip up, sit here in the quiet, and see what turns up. There's been plenty of bird sound, but just nothing in my kind of radial focus. Definitely time for coffee though. I can hear, as probably can you, that we've got big machines in the distance. Thought I was far enough in the woods to be out of the way of everything, but clearly not. Yeah, I can still hear plenty of birdie noises, but that is in my background. Just a quick top tip. When I'm sitting stationary for long times, and even though I have winter neoprene wellies, when my feet begin to get cold, I always carry some of these disposable hand warmers, and I'll open them up, give them a shake, take off my wellies, put them inside, flat underneath my arch of my foot. And then when I put my wellies on, it's sitting underneath. So that's where the cold is coming from. My feet against the rubber against the ground. And this tends to heat the tips of my toes and my feet. And I can feel the heat warming up my legs when my blood is obviously pumping down to the extremities and back up again. Always carry some of these on you. Well, I've given it as much time as I can today. It's a bit early in the year, another couple of months and it'll be spring, and there'll be so much more activity. I keep hearing the squirrel, and he's behind me, so I'm facing the wrong direction for him. But that's okay. I'm gonna pack up, head home. It's never a wasted day when you've had the chance to just sit. And although I haven't had the chance to film much in the way of wildlife, it's been thoroughly enjoyable to just sit and hear it. I've enjoyed the time in the hide, and I can see me using it a hell of a lot more this year. I think I'm going to leave this here for a minute and then just go wandering with the camera for half an hour or so. Everything is so high up in the canopies that although I can hear them, I just can't see them. I thought I'd check the mound behind because I thought I could smell badger, but that's just the the boxwood hedge. Well, I thought my day was had, but little did I know that just around the corner I was in for a beautiful display of gliding perfection. How can you not be impressed by the majestic beauty of these magnificent buzzards? If you want to know more about me or see some of my images, you'll find me on haydenthomasphotography.co.uk. You'll also find me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.